Well, it is that time of year when we start thinking about gift giving, and I'm here with Sarah at Portland Nursery, and I'm just going to jump right in with some of the stuff that we're going to be showing here. And I got to say that I hear that you and I both have a great affinity for this rain chain because it's so different. It's pine cones.
Yeah, and it's so Pacific Northwest, and
right.
You know, rain chains, they all kind of look alike, and they're beautiful, but this one especially is very artsy and I feel like represents where we're at, so I feel like it makes a really great gift.
It really does, and I love that you guys have it because it's one of those things that you can find at garden centers that, you know, great gift ideas, and that is certainly
You can't go to the mall and find that.
No, I would think I could not. But you know, you guys never forget children too. You've got a lot of gift for kids. Tell me about this.
Yeah, so this is Paint a Terrarium, so it's an art project and then you can have it as a place to plant with. And I love this, I believe it's this brand does a few different things that I love. We have the stepping stone at home, so you can put, you know, it's a little personal touch that you can add to your planters.
And a great interactive gift for parents and kids together, or grandparents and or kids.
An activity is always good. And you can, you could make it and then give it as a gift as well instead of.
Right.
Yeah.
And then, you know, we always think about nature, and so you have all kinds of bird feeders here to buy.
We do have a lot, and we have some really cool ones. This is one of our more simple hummingbird feeders, and it's really great to help feed the birds in the winter. I would just say it's a responsibility. So if you start doing it, you know, keep up on the food once that food source is
once it's there, don't just tease them.
Yeah.
Do it for the whole winter time.
Yeah.
And then I love that in the houseplant areas you have some amazing, charming planters. I really think those are adorable.
Thank you. And yeah, we're really into the tillandsias and, and succulents and all of that. So that's probably one of the most unique pots planters that I've seen.
Yeah, I agree with you. And you know, I have to remember, I'm a child of the 70s. I remember macrame hangers. I can't say them anymore, but I remember them. You guys have quite a selection of them, and they're back.
Macrame is officially back, everyone, and it's a great gift for, I think, the younger generation, especially people who are into houseplants.
Well, I was young when I liked them, so that makes sense.
Right, it's coming back around. So, and then the pruners are classic. I mean, that's on our list every year as a gift for a gardener, because you either lose them or you know, you can never have too many, really.
No, and I was going to say, even if you have 2 or 3, there's no shame in that because they're just a great, especially the Felcos.
My husband and I are always like, who has them? You know, give them. So multiple is great.
And then, of course, gloves.
Yep, I always replace my gloves at least once a year. So.
Well, we work in the garden. It is some hard work, and they last as long as we could work out with them, and they are just great to have. And then, of course.
This is on my personal Christmas list as well, which is a mason bee kit. So I don't know how familiar everyone is, but it's a native pollinator that you can put easily in your backyard and help pollinate your plants, help pollinators in general. And it's actually really easy to take care of them and get them going from year to year. So we have classes on that too.
And then, of course, you still have a whole lot of selection of decorating inside and outdoors holiday stuff, right?
We do. We've got lots of Christmas trees going on, and we picked this one because it's gorgeous and modern, and it can be a year-round decoration, but it also looks really pretty on a Christmas tree or something. So.
And then you guys do a little event that you're part of each year. Tell me about that quickly.
Yeah, it's a Little Boxes PDX, and it's today and tomorrow, and a lot of local stores are participating, and there's discounts and raffle prizes, and it's a great way to get out and support local business and have, you know, a chance to win some really great prizes.
Wonderful. Well, you know, if you think, I don't know what to choose, I don't know what to choose, you can always go with the gift card. So for more information on the hours here at Portland Nursery on Stark and Division Street, you can go to gardentime.tv. Sarah, happy holidays.
Thank you.